Jotono Sadaka, Jotono Kachana, respected MLA 62 constituency, Sri Philip Maliam, respected EM Sri Babadabia, respected block chairman, other dignitaries, and respected DFO, 82 miles Forest Division, my respected teachers, social workers, as well as my dear students, Jotono Kachanga, what is the meaning of meaning one notes of meaning le Marok Inchihade. Protect Sano, Government of India, Bole celebrate you. 1st July to 7th July. Main meaning le Chini Bukung Barale to Hope you. Hope Keke Mpanga Rao. Deforestation. Chini culture same. However, government of India side by side Chini culture le follow utan give up kemya side by side to hope kebo ya uchi we have to plant trees so that this balance so that it doesn't become balance tongnai. And after all Bonamotsoba it was KM Munshi by implement kiya KM Munshi DFO Sars by Saha, Union Minister of Agriculture and Food. And main theme 2024 theme Vanamotsav le Ek Poda Ma Kanam. It stands for to plant tree in the name of our beloved mother. Encourage reforestation. Chungle Mphang Rao. Maximum Chini Bukum Barale. Ya ho keo bagan khia ke chuk machane maximum chung phang ra ke bagan ke ho ke chung chao, but side by side chung phang ho gya we'll have to plant tree so that balance makhanai. I feel this is the best platform. Last but not the least, I should say, we should encourage more education among the indigenous people. We are far lagging in education. Be it in banking sector, be it in civil sector, be it in wherever you go. We are far lagging. So we should encourage our people in education so that we can keep in touch or so that we can balance with the society of our different communities. See one side, they are far advanced. So, chumpo chesta makhe, chesta kaya mahomya, chesta kaya ma mayo. Main kya chum chesta kaya, chum kriyo, sudo company thamu class 9, class 10 sora pore company thamu, company mungne mas tres saya, norko pasiu. Company mung saya class trairo claro lagi housekeeping ya restaurant में तो मान तब क्या नहीं या 2,000 उची एक साल पहले या उची आनंद बोतल भाई के माँ क्या नहीं drugs लाना के माँ HIV ultimate AIDS society spread and go tell your friends ना अपने पामो साथी जो कंपनी थाके after graduate PG master degree complete करके जो फादर चाकरी करके बांगलारा में so that we can run our family, not only to run yourself. नु फादर थाके क्या 10-15 में क्या उचित है ना माँ बिन एमले मोबाइल पाइना टेबलेट पाइना भाई के उचित क्राइम करना आराम को या ड्रग्स लाना सिखाओ करना. This is how our society prevails. Exactly. Not only I am not making allegation of this, I just want to spread the message. There is a saying in English. English the focus on the root of education is bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Nung jokhon porasuna kiya, kosto let makya, kosto kiya ke fall maya. Jokhon fall maya, back thatobo. Nung chakri maike, बोले fall से नहीं success fall माइके नूं success माइका माइके you'll get a result, good result, and you can go everywhere to spread your culture, your language. You can go to Delhi, Mumbai, America, London, Paris, France, wherever. By the side, you can also spread your culture. See, I have asked to our side, as DFO said, we have organized dance, Borok the culture, dance and singing is very common. You promote, but whereas in other culture, everyone is lachio. Tobe norokni your advantage le lachia. Many biska ho gaya ekdom dance kiyo. This is what I appreciate. And the last not the least, I should say, dear students, bonamot sok le chung main le pha raya pha kainai. Or ani kong pai thang. Thank you.